In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on eBay. Whether you've had a change of heart or made a mistake in your purchase, following these straightforward steps will help you to smoothly cancel your order on eBay. First, we'll begin by opening Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice and signing into your eBay account. If you aren't already familiar with the process, look for the Sign In button typically located at the top right corner of the page and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to the top of the home page where you'll see a menu. Hover over or click on My eBay, and from the drop-down menu, select Purchase History. This section is essentially a timeline of all your purchases, providing easy access to details of each order. With your purchase history open, the next step is to locate the specific order you wish to cancel. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct order, as all relevant details about your purchases will be displayed here, each with its own order summary. Once you've found the right order, direct your attention to the adjacent options available. Here, you'll see a button labeled More Actions. Clicking on this will present you with various options related to that particular order. From the drop-down menu that appears after selecting More Actions, look for and click on Cancel Order. This option is your entry point to the cancellation process. Why might you want to cancel your order? eBay provides a few common options to choose from, ensuring your reason is communicated effectively to the seller. These often include accidental purchase, delivery delay, or a change of mind. Choose the appropriate reason that best describes your situation from the list provided. Once you've selected the reason, the next step is to submit your cancellation request. This is as simple as clicking the relevant button, but it's important to review your chosen reason to ensure it accurately reflects your intent, since this information will be shared with the seller. After submission, your request doesn't immediately complete the cancellation process. It's crucial to understand that the seller has the final say in confirming the cancellation request unless the item's payment has yet to be processed. In some cases, if the payment hasn't been processed, the order can be canceled almost immediately. Otherwise, you'll need to wait for a confirmation. If the order is accepted for cancellation, you'll likely receive a refund. It's worth keeping an eye on your eBay messages or email for any updates from the seller, as they'll notify you of the outcome. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel an order on eBay with minimal hassle. Remember, communication is key, and being prompt and clear in your reasoning will help achieve the best result. Thanks for watching, and happy eBay shopping!